Hey, hi guys. Today we are going to discuss about AWS account creation. So once in that we will be creating the instance. Instance is nothing but a virtual machine. So I'm directly going to show you how to create the instance in this thing because the AWS account creation steps are easy. So in that you guys need to provide your mail ID, phone number, and your bank credentials, like I'm debit card and credit card. So once it is successfully created, you guys can go to the AWS and in the search box, please type EC2. In this is the place we will be creating the virtual machine. Now click on the instance. Now click on the launch instance. Now please provide the instance name as your wish. So I'm going to provide as a Sonu VM. Okay, and I'm going to go with the Windows. If you guys want to go with any other thing, you guys can go, but I'm going to go with these Windows. And please select the which Windows server you want to go. I'm going to go with the 2022 base only. And please provide the instance tab. Instance type is nothing but the one you want, the processor, and you which how much RAM you want. I'm going to go with the 8 GB one. By default it is showing the 1 GB, but it is not enough for me, so I'm going to go with the 8 GB. Now over here in the key pairs, create new key pair, and please provide the key pair name and click on the create key pair. Now scroll down and click on the launch instance. Okay, now click on the view all instance. Now click on the instance which we created. Now click on the connect. Now click on the RDPA client. Scroll it down. Before downloading this the remote desktop, we require the password. So we need to generate the password. For that, click on the get password. And to decrypt this password, we need the key, like we created in the just now that Sonu key, right? So that key needs to be uploaded here. So just now the password is not available. Please wait at least for 4 minutes after launching an instance before trying to retrieve the auto-generated password. Okay, actually just now we created the password, right? That's why that is the reason it's not showing us to do it immediately. Yeah, now okay, it's fine. Now apply the private key, the private key which I created, this one, Sonu one. And you guys make sure this private key is in a safe. Why? Because in future if you forgot the password again, you guys can reset on that time. So make sure this private key is safe. Now click on the decrypt key password. Now this is the password it was generated. Please save this password in somewhere. It might be in your notepad or your notebook. Click on the download remote desktop file. Now open this file. Click on connect. Now please paste that password over here. Click on OK. Yes. That's it, guys. EC2 instance. That is nothing but an VM. In VMware station, we created virtual machine, and also I've shown you how to create an Azure virtual machine, and this is AWS. You guys can follow or you can use any one of them. Okay. If you guys want to go with the cloud, use Azure or AWS, or you go with the VMware workstation. And that's it, guys. And let's meet in the next section. Thank you so much. Bye bye.